Are you applying for Australian pharmaceutical jobs online day after day, sending off hundreds of the resumes into the job portals only to be seen with complete silence? But if I told you the problem is not your qualification or your years of experiences, but your entire application strategy? What if your next big career move in Australia is not hidden on the job board at all, but sitting inside a room full of decision makers from Australia's top life science companies? Welcome to the part 1 of our exclusive 4-part masterclass series, Training Australians Pharma and Biotech Jobs in 2026. Across this series, we are breaking down how to bypass online job portals entirely, meet hiring managers face to face, optimize your executive profile, and navigate the real 2026 visa sponsorship landscapes. If you are a pharmaceutical, validation, quality assurance, or biotechnology professional looking to step into the Australian market, make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss a single part of this sequence. So, what is the problem? Why the experienced professionals fails online? Now let's discuss upon this issue. The cold reality facing experienced pharma professionals today, when you are solely on online job applications, you are throwing your CV into an automated tracking system, an algorithm designed to screen out 95% of the candidates before a human recruiter even looks at a profile. If you are an offshore candidate or trying to transition roles within Australia, online portals put you at the massive disadvantages. Networking, on the other hand, puts your personality, your domain expertise, and your communication skills upfront. According to the Workforce Australia industry and career events are created specifically to eliminate job seeker frictions by connecting candidates with employers who have open budget and immediate capability gaps. However, there is a massive difference between a generic job expo and a dedicated biotechnology conferences. Generic job fairs are often manned by entry-level HR screeners. Specialized industry conferences are when you find plant managers, manufacturing directors, head of quality assurance, and VPs of the operations, the exact decision makers who actually have the power to create a position for the right candidates. So let's see and let's discuss about the events. Australia's biggest week in biotechnology 26. It's going to be held in. This brings us to the ultimate strategic opportunity of the year. If you want to meet Australian employers face to face under one roof, you need to mark your calendar for the Australian biggest week in the biotechnology happening on the Gold Coast from October 19th to October 23rd by this year. This is just not one standard meeting, it's a mega gathering combining 3 major industry hubs. One is the Australian Biotech Invest on October 20th, where biotechnical leaders and investors discuss growth, capital, and facility expansions. Number 2 is the Australia MedTech Conference from October 21st to 22nd, focused entirely on the medical devices, manufacturing, regulatory compliance, and technology. And third one is the flagship Australian Biotech International Conference from October 21st to 23. This is absolutely a centerpiece of the life science, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, clinical developments, and biotechnology in Australia. Whether your background is in the GMP, production, analytical chemistry, validation, regulatory affairs, or operational engineering, this week brings together thousands of the key players across the entire Australian life science ecosystem. The mindset is now shifted, targeting employers, not vacancies. There is a secret mindset shift that separates junior applicants from the senior executives. Junior job seekers look for the vacancies, senior executives target employers. When you wait for the vacancy to be posted online, you are already competing with the hundreds of the people. But when you attended an industry gathering like the Australian Biotech, you are positioning yourself ahead of the market. You are discovering which companies are building new clean rooms, expanding their production line, or struggling to solve a specific technical or compliance hurdles under the TGA regulations. When you walk into a room like that, you are not bigger so for a job, you are working in the high value peers who understanding the operational challenges where companies are facing and offers real technical capabilities. So in the last, I will say that attending an event is not only the half only the half of the battle. If you turn up unprepared, hand out generic resume, or ask the wrong questions, you will waste your opportunity. That's why in part 2 of this series, I am going to reveal how to prepare like a senior executive before you set foot onto the event floor. I will show you how to build an Australian targeted CV, optimize your LinkedIn profile with the fast scan QR code, research target companies, and master a killer 30-second pharma pitch that gets employers to notice you instantly. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and drop a comment below letting me to know your specialized field in the pharma. I will see you in the part 2.